I've decided to make a change to the channel. Could be a big change. And that change starts right here. Let's get into an unbagging. Well, I gotta tell you, I've been thinking about this for a while, and I think it's time. You know, just every now and then, you just gotta make a change. And with this package, it's the start of the transformation. Now, I haven't seen it. I think I know what's in here, but I have not seen it. I don't know. I don't know if I'm ready for this. So let's just get it out there and move on. In case you're wondering, don't play with plastic bags. There it is. I don't know if I could handle it. It's been a while. Old Faithful here's been with me for years. Let's see, I don't even have a place to hang them up. Not gonna throw them away. That's just not gonna happen. I mean, this is probably 4 years. 4 years of projects. But the time has come. I have been told. Let's break out the new one. It's soft, it's fuzzy, it's not the same though. And the downside is, I don't want to get it dirty now. It looks just like the one I use at my southern location, so I guess it's not that big of a change. But there you go. It's the new me. I mean, really, what'd you expect?
It's a beautiful day in this neighborhood, a beautiful day for a neighbor. Would you be mine? Could you be mine? It's a neighborly day in this neighborhood, a neighborly day for beauty. Would you be mine? Could you be mine? I have always wanted to have a neighbor just like you. I've always wanted to live in a neighborhood with you. So let's make the most of this beautiful day. Since we're together, might as well say, could you be mine? Could you be mine? Won't you be my neighbor?